these niggas, bro. I like these niggas. Right in front of the
Oh my god.
Good.
Nah, this nigga.
I like these niggas, bro. I like these niggas. Right in front of the
Oh my god.
We good, man. We good.
Oh, license. Oh, in that license. Get over there. Oh, white line. Oof.
That's what I said.
Damn, guys.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
We valid, bro.
Thank you guys for not panicking type shit.
These niggas really driving.
We're good. Let's just let's just get off the main road type shit. Got a little nosebleed.
This shit bleeding?
Nah, it's just out of your head.
Yeah, facts.
Side of my head?
Yeah. It's like a little scratch. Like,
Say no more.
My goddamn trans got my
Say
back.
no more, beloved. We're locked in. Alright, let's just assess. Let's assess damage type shit. Take it from there.
I knew it, bro. I called it, y'all. Cozy. I called it, bro, in my head.
We ain't hit that tree. If we would have hit that tree, I probably would.
Yes, he hit the exact side that I knew that he was facing, bro. I felt that shit.
Airbags out, gang. hold on.
Yo, Lex, gotta record that shit.
This nigga just pulled up. Airbags out, twin.
Allie, you good?
Car cooked. What the?
See me, feel me?
You alive, bro? That's all that matters, man.
Sir?
Wait, your face bleeding?
Yeah.
Damn, hold on. What the fuck?
Still driving so well, honestly. That's impressive.
He lost a tooth?
Okay, so what? New bumper.
The car cooked.
Airbags, we're good, right? Bumper, hood, airbags, one headlight.
That nigga lost a tooth. He lost a tooth. He lost a tooth. Word. Yeah.
You got it in his hand?
That bitch went out the window.
Ball, bro. Once again, we know with the squeezing shit that we hit 5 lanes all the time. We have to hit 4 lanes, 5 lanes, so you have to account for that while you're going type shit. If someone's hitting a 4 lane, you got to be ready to either slam on the brakes or hit right type shit. You know what I'm saying? It's not License's fault. License was honestly hitting some fucking impossible cuts, like literally nonstop for like fucking a minute and a half straight type shit. But yeah, basically.
No. You see, I made a white line. George right here.
All right. Well, we're not gonna get through anything with arguing and fighting with each other. We're all brothers here. Can we, Doolie? Should we do assess damage real quick? Let's get the listen. If your car fucked up, don't panic. Call Doolie. Respectfully. So, Doolie, we're saying, does it need a new trunk or is it just Bondo?
Yeah. No, trunk is
good. Trunk needs to get
Yeah.
fixed.
Trunk is cool.
Body, headlights.
Oh damn! I left my weed in there. I do have to get that too.
just need a new bumper and that's a new
New bumper,
lights.
new fender type shit.
Yeah.
That tail light is good, right?
The fender is not from him.
We can't get a new quarter panel. Nigga, you gotta fix it.
Or I'm saying the quarter panel. I'm at quarter panel. Excuse me.
That
Quarter
all
panel.
gotta come out.
Okay. So let's like $500 type shit.
Just gotta pull it up.
Doolie Quan almost lost a tooth.
You need 2 tail lights, right?